I've gotten a few requests on how to add payloads to the Hak5 Wi-Fi Pineapple pager from a Windows machine. Since I only use Linux, I had to fire up my test Windows machine to show you how to do this. So I'm going to go to WinSCP's official site to download their software. WinSCP is the software recommended by Hak5 to use on Windows machines. So when you download it, don't click all these spammy download links. It's going to be at the bottom. So yeah, go ahead and navigate how I'm doing, because sometimes it gets confusing with all these stupid pop-ups. So here I'm going to go to the GitHub page for the payloads to download them. I'm just going to click and drag these onto the desktop to make them easier to locate. Right here, I'm having a little bit of a brain fart. I couldn't remember what the IP address was for the pager, so I had to close all this, and I made a little text document on the desktop to remind me what it was. So I'm just going to copy and paste this back into the software. Also, keep in mind this is my first time using this software, so I'm a little janky with operating this at first, so I'm going to end up closing this and reopening it just so I can get to that login screen again. So I'm going to keep that at SFTP, and I'm going to put in the IP address and type in root for the username. Now the password is going to be the password you made when you set up your pager. So I'm going to type my password in real quick and show you what to do from there. All right, as you can see, there's already folders on my pager. I don't remember if those were there by default or if I added them. So if they're not there, you can go ahead and make those folders. I'm on the other side of the screen navigating to my desktop to get to the payload folders that I just downloaded and unzipped. So I'm having another brain fart here, trying to remember the payloads actually go, but I found it. So basically you can just highlight and just click and drag them over and they'll copy. Since I already have them here, it's asking if I want to overwrite them, and I don't. And there you have it. You're done after this point, and everything should be on your pager where they're supposed to be. Just make sure you have your folders where they're supposed to, and everything should work fine. So I hope this video helps out some of you. Thanks for watching.